Welcome back to the channel. In the last video, we talked about some high-paying skills that you can learn to increase your income potential. If you missed that video, be sure to check that out as it contains valuable information. Today, we are continuing with the part 2 of our series where we'll be discussing the remaining skills that you can learn to boost your income. So keep watching till the end of the video. Hi, I'm Harsha, and I'm passionate about helping people unlock their full potential. Through my blog and my YouTube channel, I provide free courses and learning tips. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will be first to know when I publish a new video. In the previous video, we discussed 7 high-paying skills that can help you boost your income and stay ahead of the competition. Today, we are going to continue our exploration and dive into 8 more valuable skills that are high in demand across various industries. These skills can help you enhance your employability, increase your earning potential, and open up new doors of opportunities. So grab a notebook and pen, get ready to take some notes, and let's explore this skill together. 8. Proofreading. Proofreading is a skill that can help you earn over $50,000 annually. As a proofreader, your job is to examine a piece of writing for errors and ensure that it is error-free. This includes checking and correcting issues such as typo, punctuation, grammatical errors, and more. Unlike copywriting, proofreading focuses solely on correcting mistakes in the existing text. With the vast amount of content available online and offline, proofreading skill is high in demand. So if you have a keen eye for detail and a strong grasp of language, proofreading can be a very lucrative skill to learn. 9th, app development. App development is a skill that has a potential to generate over $200,000 per year. The process involves creating apps that addresses people's need and desire on their mobile devices. From fun games to step tracking, e-learning, workouts, and more, apps are designed to make life easier for users. You do not need any prior knowledge of software development to create a successful app. All you need is an idea and creativity to come up with a unique app concept. You can either learn coding and programming language yourself, or you can outsource the software development to someone else. While app development can be challenging, the potential of high income makes it a lucrative skill to learn. Web design. Web design is a high-paying skill that can earn you over $50,000 annually. It involves the process of developing attractive and functional website that helps businesses establish and maintain their online presence. While web development and web design are two different processes, they are often confused with each other. A well-designed website is crucial for companies looking to expand in the online market. If you consider yourself a creative person but don't want to delve into the complex coding, learning web design could be a great option for you. 11th, photography. Photography is not just about taking pictures. It's a skill that involves producing high-quality images. It requires training and on-the-job practice to become an expert. With the rise of social media and e-commerce, there is high demand for professional photography. As a photographer, you can earn up to $50,000 annually, depending on your niche and skill level. This skill can be started as a side hustle and could be grown into full-time income. If you have an eye for detail and passion for capturing beautiful moments, then photography may be the skill worth exploring. 12th, digital marketing. Digital marketing is a skill with a high income potential, with many companies looking for assistance with their online marketing efforts. As a digital marketer, your job is to draw attention to your clients through various channels, including social media and search engines. You can gain experience in this field through work or education, including degree program focused on digital marketing. If you are interested in learning more about digital marketing, be sure to check out my video on digital marketing where you can find free courses and resources to help you develop your skill in this area. 13th, transcriptionist. Transcription is a process of transcribing audio recording into written document. It is a highly sought after skill that requires attention to detail and good listening skills. To work as a full-time transcriptionist for companies, you must typically pass a transcription test that assesses your ability to accurately transcribe the audio. Once you have passed the test, you can work as much as you like and earn a consistent income. The earning potential for the transcriptionist varies depending on the factors such as experience, type of transcription work, and the company you work for. However, it is possible to earn more than $50,000 per year as a full-time transcriptionist with enough experience and skill. 14th, social media marketing. Social media marketing (SMM) is a digital marketing technique that leverages social media platform for advertising. As a social media marketer, you will help businesses promote their brand and engage with their customers on social media channels. This is a high-paying skill with the potential to earn over $80,000 annually. You can specialize in becoming a social media manager and marketer without the need to be full-fledged digital marketer. Social media platforms are crucial for business to connect with their customers, increase revenue, and drive website traffic, making social media marketing an in-demand skill. Last but not the least, we have the final high-income skill on our list. 15th, copywriting. Writing text for marketing or other types of advertising is known as copywriting, and it is both an activity and profession. The main objective of written material, which is known as copy or sales copy, is to persuade a group or individual to take a specific action by raising brand recognition. It is a skill that's becoming increasingly in demand as more firms go online. They need sales copy. That is where copywriter comes in. Copywriter use words to try to persuade others. Have you ever seen an advertisement and been tempted to open it because the benefit of the products called out to you? That was written by a copywriter. With the copywriting as a high-paying skills, you can develop your writing skills and begin a career that earns over $70,000 per year. Be sure to check out my video on copywriting for free courses that can help you further understand the skill. That sums it up. Those were the 15 high-paying skills that I wanted to share with you. Thank you for watching this two-part series of the high-income skills. I hope you found it informative and valuable. Remember, developing new skills can open up new opportunities for personal growth and professional growth, and even increase your earning potential. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, feel free to leave a comment below and let me know which skill you are most interested in learning. And don't forget to check out my website for more resources, including free courses on these and other skills. Thanks again for watching. I'm Harsha. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.